What is culture? Culture is a common response of a group of individuals to a situation depending on their shared experience and common learnings. At Cogoport, we are a dynamic community of individuals who are united by a common mission and a shared commitment to growth and performance.
Our culture is rooted in performance and driven by a deep understanding of our mission. Every day we wake up knowing that we have a unique opportunity to simplify complexity, increase efficiency, and maximize trade opportunities. Our mission isn't just words on paper, it's a guiding light that propels us forward, inspiring us to seek innovative solutions that make the intricacies of business operations more manageable.
I want to talk about the growth opportunity that Cogoport offers to its employees. Our culture is to foster an environment where individuals can thrive and reach to their maximum potential. To think about it, business results is core to our culture, and each employee's efforts is dedicated towards the success of organization.
Cogoport's approach to assigning job tasks that perfectly suit each individual's strength. We recognize that success is built on the collective talents and skills of our team members. That's why great care is taken in matching individuals with roles that not only align with their expertise but also allow them to excel and grow. We believe that when people are doing what they are passionate about and naturally skilled at, they are not just productive, they are exceptional. Great performance can never come without great culture.